What's up, fellow hustlers? My name is dillonpeffer and I am back with video number 4. It's been a while since my last video. We had some in-betweeners. Yeah, we had some new content that dropped with different videos. We introduced a new member, Jody. I hope you guys watch this video. We will be bringing a lot of different content, each of us individually will be bringing different content. We'd have our group videos as well. But yeah, Jody will probably bring his nursing side, me the trading side, Kurt's the crypto side, and yeah, I won't handle trading alone. You know, if we go with, well, when we do proper trading, it will be a group video. So yeah, let's get back into it. Last video, it was a loss. Yeah, we lost a lot. So I'm not going to lie, this week I'm going to be playing it safe. I'll be dealing with 2 pairs. Yeah, the pairs I'll be dealing with is the pound JPY and the euro pound. I'll be placing 2-3 trades. I think 3 trades for this video. Hopefully it's going to be a win. I've had enough losses, honestly. Yeah, let's get into it. Before we begin, if you want to know which broker I'm using, you know, I don't know why would you want to know, but just in case you want to know, I'm using HF Markets. Created my dummy account as well as my other accounts through them. If you are looking for a broker to use, I would suggest them. Really good to use. This video goes more into detail about them if you want to know more. Yeah, let's begin. Doing analysis. Oh, for this video I'm not going to be restricting myself to smaller time frames. I'm going to be using the time frames that I usually use. I want to say taking there. So maybe bring our fub coming around here. Put things. I think we'll be working with our account's actual lot size today, like an actual lot size calculation today. I've been usually working with a 0.01 lot size due to me usually using smaller accounts. Since this is like a $3,000 account, gonna be risking 3% of the $3,000 account, which is about $90. Relax a little under there. Maybe. Oh, quick plug. If you haven't watched the latest video that came out on the channel about Curtis Epsilon, I think you should. Really good video. 20. Just do a. Okay, let's just do a quick lot calculation over here. I think I'm gonna actually place 2 trades on this and place the 1 trade on the pound JPY because I feel more sure about this one. I don't know why. Got a gut feeling. The gut feelings have been. Can't say that word. Although gut feelings have, been bad to me lately. So we'll place the trade on the euro. Then our lot size is 3%. And then go to the chart. Let's hope it plays out. I think I'm gonna place the trade for this one, for the pound JPY. Side note, bro, this new Chris Brown album. That song. What's that? That song Bruce Lee. Oh my word, it's been in my mind. I can't stop like. Where am I going with this? let's just go on with the trading. I don't know what the hell. Wait, did I do that? Did I just? Okay, I placed it. Let's go take a look at our. Because we're losing crew. We're losing crew in here. We're losing crew in here. Alright, our trades are placed for the day. For this video, hopefully it's all good. Not looking good right now. Yeah. And we are back. Our trades have closed. Out of the 3 trades, only 2 of our trades closed, and it's a dub. It is a dub. We gained $42, a $42 win. Our third trade never placed. Yeah, and that was let me show you. Third trade was, here we are, the pound JPY. If you remember correctly, I was still setting this trade up and whatnot. Basically, the trade did play out here. However, it didn't kick me in. Now I placed the trade, so I was hoping now for it to kick in, and it didn't kick in. Oh, this was a $59 win. But we are back to 3K and then some. So all in all, a win. Oh yeah, let me show you the winning trade, obviously. And this is the winning trade. Everything played, almost got stopped out again, like the last video. Almost got stopped out, but this time it was a win. Everything went well, went the way it was supposed to go, you know. It was a good trading day. But it's a dub. Yeah. Oh, by the way, it's the first dub for the Capital Bros. My first dub under the Capital Bros umbrella. So, yeah, double dub. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it, I don't know, entertaining. As not entertaining as trading, so trading isn't entertaining. I just hope you found this very insightful. Like, share, subscribe, you know, the usual. Follow the socials. Yeah, help Capital Bros get there. Yeah. So, until our next video, peace.